The Sony A6700 is a very capable stills and video camera, but most people that own this camera are not getting the maximum video quality possible. So in this video we're going to be showing you how to unlock its full potential and get maximum quality. Let's get straight into it. The evolution of camera technology means that the sensors in modern cameras are now capable of matching or even surpassing the quality of 35mm film. The problem is that existing video formats don't support the vast amount of information captured by a modern camera sensor. The result is reduced dynamic range and colour information. So how do we fix this then? Well, we use something built into the Sony A6700 called S-Log. Now S-Log is a gamma curve designed to record and transmit as much of the information recorded by your camera sensor as possible. So not only in this video we're going to show you how to turn on S-Log in your Sony A6700, we're also going to be showing you how to colour correct your footage for free in your favourite video editor. So let's start then with showing you how to turn on S-Log in your Sony A6700. Well, first off you press the menu button, we then head down to the pink category which is exposure and colour. You then head down to submenu 5 which is colour and tone. We then move to the right and then head down to picture profiles. Then we press enter into this submenu and you're going to scroll down to picture profile 6. Then all you do is press the center button and that is S-Log 3 set in your Sony A6700. Now if you ever want to turn this off, all you have to do is go back to picture profiles. All you have to do is head all the way up to the top picture profile, which is picture profile off. Press the OK button and you're back to normal settings. But for the rest of this video, we're going to assume that you've turned picture profile 6 to on. So now we've switched on S-Log in our Sony A6700, all you have to do now is go get some video clips. And the first thing you're going to notice about your newly recorded video clips are they look very grey and washed out. The reason for this is our S-Log picture profile is protecting the highlights, stopping them from being blown out, and it's also retaining all the detail in the shadows and making sure they're not getting crushed. Basically the camera sensor has captured all the data and information, and all that's left for us to do now is to unlock it by colour correcting it in post, and that will ensure we get maximum video quality. And the way that we can colour correct our footage is with a file called a LUT, also known as a lookup table, and what this does is it corrects the colour captured by our camera's sensor. Now there's plenty of LUTs on the market that cost money, but I'm going to show you one that's completely free, and in my opinion is absolutely fantastic for correcting S-Log 3. What you're going to do, you're going to head over to cinecolor.io, I'll leave links to this in the description and in the top pinned comment. Then you're going to search for S-Log 3 and you can find one that's free of charge. Just add it to your cart and go through the process as if you're buying a LUT pack from this website, and then just save it somewhere on your device. Now all you have to do is load up your video footage in your favourite video editor. In this case I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. We then select the clip that we want to apply the LUT to, go to Elementary Colour, then go to Creative and then Look. Then all you have to do is browse for your downloaded LUT file. Then once you've located your downloaded LUT file, all you have to do is double click it and it will automatically apply the colour correcting to your video footage. So let's take a look at the footage before with S-Log 3 and then with the LUT applied. And wow, just take a look at that, what a difference the LUT makes. But we've also got all that information captured by the camera sensor, and we really are getting the highest dynamic range from our Sony A6700. Now with that Cinecolor LUT, it gives our footage a very cinematic look, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Remembering also that this is colour correcting, and we also have room for colour grading if need be. So there you have it, that's how you unlock your maximum video quality in your Sony A6700. Now of course you don't have to use S-Log all the time, you can pick and choose when you want to use it and when you really want the highest dynamic range in your video footage. Now if you've enjoyed this video and got anything at all from it, I'm going to ask a big favour from you, and that's to hit the subscribe button down below. It shows me that you appreciate this type of video content and it encourages me to make even more of it. Now if you have any questions about S-Log or the Sony A6700, leave them below in the comment section. We've also got lots more Sony A6700 videos on our channel, so make sure you check them out. Also make sure that you download your free LUT from Cinecolor, I'll leave it in the top pinned comment. That's going to wrap up this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video. See you soon everyone.